Wave goodbye to the old ways. It's time to embrace precon technologies like estimating software so you can be more efficient, accurate, and help your company grow. We get it though. Evaluating new software is a huge commitment, but the worst outcome is committing to purchasing a new technology before fully vetting it. Beck Technology is all too familiar with stories from general contractors about investing a lot of money into new software just to collect dust because there was no training or implementation plan included in the purchase. When you reach out to Beck Technology to ask about DESTINI Estimator, we don't jump straight into a demo. We first want to learn more about you and your process to make sure our estimating software is a good fit for your company. This hands-on approach is effective and saves you time during your evaluations. Layton Construction began making the switch from Sage Timberline to DESTINI Estimator in 2016. One of Layton's senior estimators said, "We wanted to look out there and see everything that was involved, and really, I think Beck Technology was the only one that provided that opportunity for that kind of exploration. This was very hands-on, very personal, and very tailored to us." Haselden Construction Company was searching for a solution to replace MC² to make their estimating process more efficient. Director of Preconstruction at Haselden Construction said, "The exploration was great. They were very patient with us. I think they realized it was a big investment for any company. There was no pressure." Our primary focus at Beck Technology is to have productive and successful customers. We encourage those working through the exploration process to provide feedback on DESTINI Estimator and ask how they would make it better.